Hello, welcome to Daily Smart Tips. In this short video, I want to share with you how you can resolve your WordPress dashboard issues like this. If you are seeing something like this, you log in and you see that all your post title are shown in a vertical form. It can be very frustrating, especially if you are a beginner to WordPress. So that is what I want to share with you in this post. Do well and subscribe to the channel and also turn on your notification bell so that anytime we upload any message, anytime we upload any tutorial, you can have access to it and take a look. So quickly, let's move on to our WordPress. Let me first of all log out so that we can start it all together. Okay, so let me log out and then log into my WordPress dashboard. So make sure that you log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, so when you log in, this is how our dashboard looks like. This is how our dashboard looks like when you go to the post, all posts. Go to post, select all posts, and you will see your dashboard showing like this. Okay, so quickly scroll up to the top right corner, this section, and locate screen options. Locate screen options. Click on it, and you would see the pop-up. Okay, so you would see this window. This new window would open. This indicates the number of fields that have automatically been selected. You see, if the fields are plenty, definitely they would shrink because they are all looking for space. So if you come down here and see, you can see so many things, so many things, so many things. Okay, we have even other items that are even showing, that are not showing. You have so many things. They all want to find space. The dates, categories, everything. They all want to find space to show. That is why it is resulted into that. So you have to uncheck the fields that you don't want to see and possibly select the fields that you want to see. So for instance, I would untick the key phrase, I will untick the readability score, I'll probably untick the likes, the comments. That is based on your preference. Okay. So the things that you want them to show, you have to select them. And the things that you don't want them to show, um, um, you have to uncheck them because default some of these things are checked. So when I scroll down here to see, you can see that okay, it is gradually taking shape. So it means if I want to show it well, I can go ahead and still untick more. Okay, so let me also untick. So I can untick as many as I want and only leave the ones that I want them to show, especially with the title on the okay. So far I've only selected few fields to show. That is that alter the category, the comment, the date, the SEO score, and the SEO title. These are the few fields that I've selected that I want to be shown on the dashboard. So if you scroll down here, you can see that yes, the issue has been resolved. So you can see exactly how things are showing after I uncheck those things. So when few fields are selected, you get the chance to display them in a right format. So basically that is what is causing that. So quickly go up there, untick the fields that you don't want to show, and then your issue has been resolved. Thank you so much. If you found any value in this video, kindly do and then subscribe. Also, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll be glad to respond to that. But above all, make sure that you turn on your notification bell because I know you have subscribed already. But if you haven't done that, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload content, you would be the first person to see. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.